Imagine a machine that can transform your garden into a pristine space. A brush cutter so powerful and versatile that it makes you feel like you're mastering nature itself. Let me introduce you to the GREENCUT GGT650X-6, a revolutionary gas brush cutter that redefines the concept of maintaining green spaces. From the very first seconds when you hear about this marvel, you'll understand why. It is an essential choice for anyone who wants to combine efficiency, power, and comfort. If you're interested, don't hesitate to click the link in the description right now to learn more about these unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This product is ideal for both amateur gardeners and seasoned professionals looking to effectively maintain medium-sized areas up to 2,000 square meters. It is perfectly suited for those who seek power, versatility, and comfort. For their clearing work, the GREENCUT GGT650X-6 is much more than just a simple brush cutter. It's a true war machine against weeds, brambles, and the most stubborn bushes. Equipped with a 65C gas engine and 4.9 horsepower, it offers unmatched power that allows you to tackle even the toughest vegetation. Imagine yourself taming your garden to transform the wildest areas into clean and well-maintained spaces, all with astonishing ease. The ergonomic design of this brush cutter has been crafted for your comfort. The double grip handle provides remarkable stability and allows for extended use without feeling fatigued. It's not just a machine, it's an extension of yourself designed to make every movement smooth and every effort minimal. The included harness perfectly distributes the weight of the device, reducing strain on your arms and back. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews. Extremely satisfied. But this brush cutter doesn't stop there. Its true strength lies in its versatility. With 6 interchangeable cutting accessories, you have a solution for every type of vegetation at your fingertips. The head for fine grasses, 2, 3, and 8-tooth discs. For tougher jobs, the 40-tooth disc tackles branches, bushes, brambles. Accessories change easily with the tap-and-go system. Each accessory is easily changed thanks to the tap-and-go system, saving you valuable time. The 1-liter fuel tank ensures enough autonomy for the most demanding jobs. No more frequent interruptions. To refuel, you can focus on the task at hand. Moreover, the Easy Start manual with CDI electronic ignition ensures a quick and effortless start, even in cold weather or after a long period of inactivity. With its dimensions of 160 cm long and 65 cm wide and a weight of just 11.5 kilos, this brush cutter is surprisingly maneuverable. Its aluminum structure and splitting bar add to its robustness while maintaining exceptional lightness. Ideal for steep or hard-to-reach terrains. Whether you're an amateur gardener or a seasoned professional, the GREENCUT adapts to your needs and allows you to complete your tasks with surgical precision. The double-element air filter reduces engine wear and requires less maintenance, which extends the lifespan of your machine. Every component has been designed to provide maximum durability, while minimizing maintenance needs. So you can work with complete peace of mind, knowing that your brush cutter is ready to take on any challenge. The GREENCUT is more than just a tool, it's an investment in quality and efficiency. With a maximum speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute and a minimum speed of 3,000 revolutions per minute, you can adjust the power according to the type of work to be done. This flexibility allows you to handle both small, delicate areas and large, overgrown surfaces. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it right now, at the best price, and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high power. The 65cc gas engine with 4.9 horsepower delivers exceptional performance. Advantage number 2, versatility. With 6 interchangeable cutting accessories, it adapts to various types of vegetation. Advantage number 3, extended autonomy. The 1-liter fuel tank allows for intensive use without frequent interruptions. Advantage number 4, ease of use. The ergonomic design, featuring a double grip handle and a harness, reduces fatigue. Advantage number 5, maneuverability, light and easy to handle. Ideal for steep and hard-to-reach terrains. Advantage number 6, easy starting. The Easy Start system with CDI electronic ignition ensures a quick and effortless start. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1,